this condition, the anchor can offer no resistance to dragging except by its weight. Lightweight anchors. Two types of lightweight anchors are used on Navy ships, the Mk2 LWT and the wedge block LWT anchor. Lightweight anchors are constructed of comparatively light metal, but are very strong in tension. They gain their holding power by digging deep into the bottom rather than lying as a deadweight. Both the Mk2 LWT anchor and the wedge block LWT anchor have high holding power for their weights. The 30 degrees Fluke angle on the wedge block LWT anchor is most effective in sand bottoms, and the 50 degrees Fluke angle in mud bottoms. For example, both 10,000-pound LWT anchors are designed to have a holding power in a sand bottom slightly higher than the 22,500-pound standard Navy stockless anchor. They are used as bower and stern anchors and may also be used as stream or kedge anchors. Anchors less than 150 pounds are normally used as small boat anchors. The main characteristic of the LWT anchor is the placement of large flukes at such an angle that they drive deep into the bottom to ensure good holding power. The crown is designed to lift the rear of the flukes and force their points downward into the bottom. Good stability is also obtained by placing the flukes close to the shank. These anchors are extremely useful in any situation where lightweight but good holding power is essential. They have even been cast up to 3,000 pounds for use as stern anchors on LSTs. For Navy use, LWT anchors are made in approximate weights from 8 pounds to 13,000 pounds, for the Mk2 LWT 6,000 pounds and 30,000 pounds for the wedge block LWT. The commercial Danforth anchor is used on some Navy craft and small boats. 2 Fluke balanced Fluke anchors. The 2 Fluke balanced Fluke anchor is used for anchoring some surface ships and the newer submarines and is normally housed in the bottom of the ship. This anchor is used on certain combatant-type surface ships in place of a bower anchor, which could interfere with the ship's sonar dome. Stock anchors. Old-fashioned, or stock, anchors have been abandoned by large merchant and Navy ships because they are extremely cumbersome and difficult to stow. Because of their superior holding power, stock anchors are still used on some boats, and yachtsmen use them for small craft. Mushroom anchors. Mushroom anchors are shaped like a mushroom with a long narrow stem serving as the shank. Because of their excellent holding ability, they are used for permanent moorings and as anchors for channel buoys and other navigational aids. The mushroom anchor is used to anchor buoys and torpedo testing barges. The rounded part, or crown, strikes the bottom first, and the upper surface of the mushroom is cupped to provide a biting surface. As the anchor shifts back and forth under strain, it digs itself deeper into the bottom, thereby increasing its holding power. Consequently, it takes a firm hold and remains fixed under the most adverse conditions. Because the mushroom anchor has no projecting stock or flukes to foul, the moored object can swing freely around a mushroom anchor. However, since a mushroom anchor will break out if the direction of pull is reversed, it is normally used only in groups of 3 or more, surrounding the central mooring point. Certain older class submarines use this type of anchor. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and click the notification bell, for you will be updated, for our next upcoming video.